What's going on, YouTube? Modeling that back at you. Sorry for the long delay in uploads. To be honest, I haven't been at the bench much in the last couple of months here. Just had a lot of work stuff going on, and Christmas coming up here this week, things like that. Just yeah, yeah, it took priority of a lot of things. But last couple of nights though, was back at the bench doing some work. So as you can see here, I have the upper wheelhouse mostly together. Had to custom build the cage here on the top that'll go around the radar. To be honest, I think the radar pieces either went missing or something had happened with them, so I'm gonna have to kind of custom build that as well. Try to get that to focus. There you go. But overall, really happy with how that's turning out. Looking really pretty good. Have to do a little bit more touch up with paint and stuff like that, because this is all in original brass and stuff like that at this point. So brass and metal. So, but got the struts in. Still have to put the angles coming up to run the lines down. Some other parts and pieces like that. So still work in progress on that. Put that to the back so it doesn't get broken. Also went back and repainted this part here. Used Mr. Color 316, which is a white, but it's a kind of a creamy white. It's mainly for Vietnam era aircraft, but really kind of fits this. It's that good white that I want for this. So we'll also be doing the support lines again, in case if somebody would have fallen over, that sort of thing. So that's been kind of a work in progress. The rear deck house, still loose fit as it was before. Kind of had to go back through, retouch in some paint and things like that, just from various things happening with it. Usually just overspray, stuff like that. Also, the paint hasn't adhered 100% great to the resin, so it does. I've had a couple of issues with it flaking. Be honest, it's all on my prep. I didn't go through and wash it as thoroughly as I should have, but that's still kind of in progress. And then the other area that I believe is kind of new for this is going to be the rear decking. So I got this part put on, got the photo etch around there, went ahead and actually had to use a piece of metal inside of there, which it would have had a couple more, but to create support stanchions to hold that up. But come back through and repainted that, hence the reason for a little bit of overspray on that derrick, but or not derrick, but the winch system there. But got the bow pretty well ready to go. So yeah, not a huge update, but definitely wanted to get something out to you guys before the end of the year here. I'll just let you know I was still around, still working on the old fits, and yeah, really looking forward to getting this one pushed on through. Probably at least another month's worth of work, just with all of the photo etch that I need to do still, with the front, the bow housing and stuff like that, and then also the aft housing, getting that together. So yeah, well, hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. By the time this will go up, it'll be after, and if you have any questions or comments, definitely post it down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.